Hello. In this video, we will discuss the features of Microsoft Copilot. We already have gone through the first three features in our previous video. So let's take a closer look at the other features. My name is Paresh and you're watching 365 Pros. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, I would suggest you do and also click the bell icon so that you get notifications of my upcoming videos. Now, one of the first features is personalized responses. Now, Microsoft Copilot provides personalized responses grounded in your data, emails, files, team paths, meetings, and then uses AI in the apps you use every day. So you do not need to switch back to ChatGPT or anything like that. It's right in the app and controls things in your application too. Now, the other part is privacy and security. Now, Microsoft Copilot is private and secure, making it useful for business applications, especially for large enterprises where data security is the key. And it checks all the boxes you need to check. Excellent search and retrieval. Now, Microsoft Copilot has excellent search and retrieval capabilities. For example, if you use Microsoft 365 Chat and ask for updates on a particular project, it will find documents related to that project. The way it indexes files is structured and relevant to how you store your files. If you organize your files in a particular location based on a structure and hierarchy, it understands that. The next feature is multimodal. Now, Microsoft Copilot is multimodal. It means it can do many different things other than just text. It can create images for you, it can interpret images and give you answers based on that. For example, in a Microsoft PowerPoint, when you use Copilot, you can ask for things like adding a relevant image to the slide. And if your slide is about, let's say, coffee, it will read that and add a coffee related image to the slide. Now, it's very intelligent and then understands the context of what you're talking about. It can also create charts, it can also create graphs in Excel. So it doesn't just produce text for you, but also creates graphs and images. Now, the next feature is references. It references your files. Microsoft Copilot references your files, which is especially useful when you ask questions in Microsoft 365 chat. For example, if you ask when the due date of the proposal that Paresh mentioned last week was, it will reference your files, find the answer for you, and show you exactly where it found it. Now you can trace through exactly where that came from, so you don't have to take Copilot's word for it. If you are in PowerPoint deck with 100 pages and ask questions like what the key stakeholders or deadlines are, it will go through the deck, answer the question for you, and give you specific references so that you can cross check it as well. So if you click on the references, it takes you to exactly the slide that the Copilot used to answer your question. Now, next feature is about gaining personal insights. So, Microsoft Copilot uses your personal information, such as your profile information, communication patterns, and activity history, to understand your interests, expertise, and preferences. And then, there you can suggest prompts as well. So, if your files are based on one project, it will suggest prompts related to that project. If your profile or communication history shows you only messaging a few people, it will craft your prompts towards that. You can say that Copilot understands you and it becomes your personal assistant. For example, if you work with someone named Paresh, all right, some of the suggested prompts might be to send an email to, let's say, Suresh or Mahesh information, and or retrieve information for Salesh. So something like that, right? It also does real time monitoring. As you work, Copilot continuously observes to gauge your immediate needs and concerns, how to best help you. If it knows you have a deadline coming up for a proposal, it will suggest questions and tasks related to that proposal. Now, as far as availability is concerned, Copilot is available in Word, in Outlook, in Teams, in PowerPoints, and in Excel. It also is available in other applications such as OneNote, Microsoft Loop, and Whiteboard. Now, Whiteboard is used when you go to into Teams and want to share your screen or write something, right? Now, it's going to improve over the time, and these are all the features of Copilot from Microsoft 365, and it sure is to going to get better as time progresses. I hope you liked this video and you understood the features of Copilot for Microsoft 365. So stay tuned and keep watching for upcoming videos. Bye for now.